Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto E4 Plus, and today I'll show you how to add a fingerprint to the device. So to get started, you want to open up Settings, and from Settings scroll down to Security, right here, and you should find Fingerprint. Now, before you can actually set up a fingerprint, if you don't have any other way of unlocking the device, you'll also need to add additionally PIN, pattern, or password. So once you tap on the fingerprint, it will prompt you to do that. So let's just tap on Next, and you have a choice. Like I said, pattern, PIN, password. I'm gonna stick with the pattern. So let's draw the pattern, continue, redraw the same pattern once more, confirm, and you get a message about notification. So how are they showing when the device is locked? And you can choose to not show them at all, show them partially, or show them fully like you would normally have. Let's tap on Done, and then find the sensor, which is right here, the button at the bottom. Tap on Next, and you want to start scanning your finger. So you can see that once I start pressing it, you have a blue line going in the circle. That is basically the progress of it. And there we go. You can also add another fingerprint if you want to, for instance a different finger or the same one for just more accurate read, so you have less failed unlocks. But I'm just going to stick with this one. Let's just tap on Next, got it, and now if I lock the device, I have two different ways of unlocking it. Number one is to that pattern that I have set, so like this, or number two is with the fingerprint, so like so. So that is how you would add a fingerprint, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.